garbage.
Leave the food alone. Yeah, girls, looks like you're back for more, huh?
Hey, Lace, you hear something?
Yeah, sounds like a furry little rat.
Hey, where'd you get this stuff?
Hey, put that down. And you get away from the donuts. It's for the kids, not for you.
Where'd you get this stuff? In a sewer?
Yeah, it's good stuff. Now put the donuts away.
All right, ladies, here is the truck.
Those crazy chicks, they jumped it. They got the truck all over the ground. Look what they've done to me.
Look at you! I got a meeting with the mayor in 25 minutes. God, why does this always happen? Get the gun! Get the gun! Down that way! Out! Louis, put in a bunch and get behind him!
Remember, I want him alive.
Wait a minute! What the hell is that? Oh, shit!
Go get him, girls. What a revolution. That's for Andy. Out to the people.
Somebody call the goddamn cop! Shoot!
What are you waiting for? It's gotta look like an accident.
But it's gotta happen now.
God damn it!
Hello, Crabs. Just gotta ask you a couple questions. Has he talked yet? We're just getting acquainted.
Come on, Lace. We gotta go. There's no time.
Not before we get some information.
No, wait! Don't shoot! Please! I'll tell you anything!
When I say so.
It won't work anymore, Lace.
Walk soft, honey.
What was that?
She said it's no good. We're not buying it. Not from you or Donut either.
I didn't mean it. They made me say it. I'm sorry.
You're through, Lace. You're out.
I'm out.
That's what I said.
Okay, you want me out? You're gonna have to fight me. Or anybody else who's got enough guts to take me on. What about you, Jenny? Got a pretty face that'd look real good with a big scar. What about you, Donut? Want me to slice off some of that extra blubber?
I'm sorry.
Come on, who's got the guts to try it? Come on.
I will.
Okay, Maggie. Don't be shy. You were never shy with Dom, were you?
So, that's it, ain't it? You got your man killed because you couldn't hold him.
And I'd kill him again to keep him from you.
You know something funny, Lace? You were wrong. There was nothing between me and Dom. It was all you.
Liar! You had it!
Verifying the DLB as 1105.
The exits are covered. Now let's go in and bust them.
Oh, wait a minute. They're fighting among themselves. If someone gets killed, we'll finally have a charge that'll stick.
You're all heart, aren't you, Rizzo?
I'll kill you!
This is the police. Throw down your weapons and put your hands above your head. Keep away from the body.
This time it's murder, honey. You play by my rules. You're nobody now.
We're the Jezebels. That's so.
Stop it.
I thought there were no gangs around here. What about you?
Jezebel.
And you?
Jezebel.
Jezebel! Jezebel! Jezebel!
What about you?
She ain't with us.
Sure I am. I always been. I don't know her.
That's right. Don't know her.
I don't know, do you know
Not
her?
one of us.
Never seen her before.
She ain't one of us.
Okay, Jezebels.